What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now I've realised just recently I haven't shown any love to the Z Fold 4 at all recently, and I need to. I do still have my Z Fold 4, as you can see, and it's still going really well, but just recently I've been showing a lot of love to the S23 Ultra, so time to change that and show some love to the Z Fold 4. So right now what I've got, Caseology were kind enough to send me the two Parallax cases for the Z Fold 4. Let's just get them out the box, see what they look like, and put them on the phone, and then we'll go from there. So let's start with the grenishy coloured one first. So you get the little tab at the top, you just pull that open like so, and there is the case. So do you know what, let's just grab the other one too, let's not waste any time. There we go. So that will be the black one, but let's start with this one first. Okay, so you get your sticky tabs for the side to keep it in place. You get your welcome to the club, they're happy to have you, how to remove it, and use of additional strips, which is what they are, and how the installation is supposed to go, as you can see. So place that to one side. So there is the case. So there's the Parallax in the grenishy colour. So let's go ahead and take that off, and then place the foam out the way completely. So there we go. So there is the front piece. As you can see, all the tape along here. I'm not going to remove it, I'm not going to attach it to my phone. Grip along the side with the Caseology branding just on the bottom right there. The front piece. Insert. It's not metal, it is just a sheeting over the inside. Parallax series for Samsung. Caseology in Irvine, California. Again, more adhesive strips, just spare ones that you got there. The camera cutout, the Parallax pattern on the back, and the band going across the middle. So let's just go ahead and slap it onto the phone. So if we go ahead and slap the back on first. As I say, I'm not removing the adhesive strips because I'm not going to fit this to the phone. I'll probably fit the black one, but not this one. And then if we open it up like so, and then we fit on the front piece. So there we go. So ignore these bits here. This is where the sticky label will come in. As you can see, exposed side, but if you flip it up like so, that is what it's going to look like when it's all connected up together. As you can see, that camera cutout right there. The cameras are nice and recessed into that case. The Parallax band, the Parallax logo, closing it over. Cutouts on the bottom for your speaker and your charge port and your mic. Cutouts on the top for your speakers, your mics, etc. all along there. Cutouts on the side for your power button and your volume rocker. But as you can see, there's the grip on the side with the Caseology branding on it. Feels really nice to hold. Feels really good. So there's the Caseology branding right here on the grip texture. Looks and feels really good. So let me know what you think of that one in the comment section. All of these will be linked, these two will be linked in the description down below to where you can pick these up for yourself. Nice and easy to remove, like so. Okay, so now let's go on and move to the black one. Again, all the leaflets and the extra sticky labels. If we take off the foam. So as you can see, there's the black version, the black banding on the side with the Caseology logo right there. So the Caseology logo just on the base right there in that nice etching. So that's where you're going to grip. Feels really nice to hold. And then there is the black band, the black Parallax, black camera cutout, the black grip on the side, black inside. So let's go ahead and fit this one. Let's open it out. This will probably be the case I go for. I'm going to be travelling. So there's the black Parallax. Let me know what you think of that one compared to the green colour. Which one would you go for? I know for me personally, I'd go for the black. You get a nice texture on the top right there, the band, and the texture on the bottom, and then that bit where it goes over. So there is the black Parallax series for the Z Fold 4. So let me know what you think of that one in the comment section down below. Which one would you go for? Me personally, I'm going for the black. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I think they look really, really good. Huge thank you to Caseology for sending them over. Huge thank you to you guys for watching. As always, if you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. See you all soon.